Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make ghee podi dosa. It's a very crispy, spicy dosa. It's very easy to make, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Soak 1 cup of idli rice and few fenugreek in water for 5 hours. Soak 1/3 cup of urad dal in water for 3 hours. Now both the rice and the urad dal are well soaked, so drain off the water and add the urad dal to a mixer jar. To this add 2 tablespoons of water and grind it to a very fine paste. Transfer it to a separate pot. Now drain off the water and add the idli rice to the same mixer jar. Add 2 tablespoons of flattened rice and 2 tablespoons of water. Grind it to a very fine paste. Transfer it to the same pot. Mix it well using your hands. Let this ferment for 8 hours. After 8 hours, it's well fermented, so add half teaspoon of salt and mix it well. Now our dosa batter is ready, so let's go and make the ghee podi dosa. Heat a dosa tawa, sprinkle some water to balance the heat. Spread a ladle full of dosa batter as thin as possible. Spread 2 teaspoons of ghee. Use homemade ghee for best taste and results. Then flatten the dosa using a dosa spatula. Then sprinkle 2 teaspoons of idli podi. I've already made a video on how to make homemade ghee and idli podi. I'll be giving the video link in the description box. You can check on it. Cook for a minute in medium-high flame. Once they are crispy, you can remove. Now a delicious ghee podi dosa is ready. Serve it hot with some sambar and chutney and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, delicious and a healthy recipe. So do try this ghee podi dosa recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.